Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to schedule Shopify products. So let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to the products page of our actual Shopify store. And then from in here, you should be able to see the products that you have created. So the first requirement of your product is need to be on the draft and not on the active page. So let's head over and edit this blue polo right here that I have. So in here, you should be able to see that I have in here the title, the description, and everything ready. So what I can do is I can actually just head over and I can see this publishing right here. And under the sales channel, you should be able to see this icon right here. So when you click on this icon, it will open this calendar right here. So for example, let's choose April 10 and then let's choose 9 a.m. So click on this schedule publishing right here. And then once you have done that, click on the save button. Then as you can see, this product right here will be scheduled for April 10 to be published at 9 a.m. And then when you head back, it's still on the draft right here, but it will be on the active page once it's been published on your stall officially. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.